What's the matter?
Okay, so we need to pick out some construction paper and draw the picture of the ears on that paper. Be sure to make them nice and big. After you've drawn your animal ears, snip them out with your safety scissors. Once you've cut out your animal ears, it's time to tape them onto your headband. We just need to cut up a small strip of construction paper, and that's going to hang from the front of the headband.
Got an attitude.
Why are we doing that, Nina? Well, this is so that you can add an animal nose to your headband. I'm going to glue a red, fuzzy pom-pom for my nose. Wait, that. And now that we've added our fuzzy red pom-pom, we're ready to attach it to the headband. We can all wear our silly animal headbands and have a silly animal parade. Hippity-hoppity, I like it. And Star, guess what? I made one just for you. Sproutlets, if you'd like to make your craft, you and Ronan Sprout can visit us. Find out how to make your very own silly animal headband. Wow, Nina, let's create lots of silly animal headbands tomorrow. Oh, that's a great idea, Star. Because right now, another friend is here to play. Can you guess who it is?
That's cold.
Oh, Lucy.
Hello, Nina and Star. Thomas is pulling into the station right on time from the island of Soda.
Hello, Thomas. Hi.
You got an attitude? Then what's mad? What's the matter? You mad? You hungry? You want Baba? You don't want Baba? You want me? That's cold. You want Ranisha? You want Grandma? You want Mama? You want Mama? You want Daddy? Then what do you want?
On starry nights when the moon is full and the air still,
You want TV?
you hear the sounds of
You want computer?
ships and distant laughter.
You want me?
They echo over the
You want the
hills,
camera?
through the valley, down
You want the teddy bear?
canals and sleepy inlets.
You say no to everything, huh?
These are the sounds that say the harbor is hard at work at the big station by the
No.
sea.
Want pacify?
One night, a special load of fish was ordered.
What do you want?
Topham Hatt decided that extra vans
Fine.
to the train
Be that way.
called the Flying Kipper.
What do you
The
want?
vans available were all
Nothing?
They had not been
Nothing? What's the matter with you?
Henry waited impatiently by the quayside as Duck shunted them into position.
You don't want to kiss me?
Thomas
Can you give me a kiss?
arrived with the mail.
Can I have a cheek? Give me a kiss on the cheek. You mad at me?
Going fishing? I'd take
Your brother went to sleep. You want your brother?
Huffed Duck. Well, for
You want your bottle?
Huffed Thomas, remembering his own experience, if
What do you want?
an engine's boiler, they always cause trouble.
I don't know what that. You want Bubba?
Be awfully slow. And I know what I'm talking about.
What do you want? You want Bubba? What do you want?
Henry grunted dreadfully.
Okay.
Just have to put up with it, Henry, said his driver. At least the extra load will mean you can have another
What's the matter?
Gordon's Hill.
You want to get out? Want to be outside? Want to get out of my house? I'll put you on the street walk. You know, I'll put you on the sidewalk. You know, you'd be cool. Want to be on the
Duck
street?
was waiting at Edwards Station so that he could help the heavy
You want mommy?
by pushing from behind.
What do you want? You want to chill?
Henry made good progress.
What's your problem? Listen!
When they reached Edwards, the driver stopped the train beyond the platform. Then Henry gave us.
What's your problem? Turn around.
I I need help, please. Beep, beep, replied Duck. I won't be long. Duck buttered gently up to Henry's train. He
Listen.
was not coupled on.
Baba!
Henry would then be able to run on without stopping when they reached the top of the hill. Ready, whistled Duck, and off they went.
What's your problem? Turn around. Yes. Nigga.
Soon they reached Gordon's Hill. Push hard,
Bitch.
puffed Henry. We're doing it, replied Duck.
Cranky.
Henry was pulling his train harder than
Bubba.
anybody.
Find it. Be that way.
He felt the weight on his
Be that way. Mama, huh? Nah,
He whistled. No
to you too.
Henry
Be that way. I don't care.
heavier.
Whatever. Whatever, man.